ന്യൂയോർക്കിൽ ദീപാവലിയോടനുബന്ധിച്ചുള്ള ആഘോഷങ്ങൾക്ക് തുടക്കമായി.
ന്യൂയോർക്ക് സൗത്ത് സ്ട്രീറ്റ് സീപോർട്ടിൽ 26th ആനുവൽ ദിവാലി മേള നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Every year, over 10,000 people attend this event from all around the tri-state area. The event is fun-filled with various vendors. Then they have dance and music, and the program ends with spectacular fireworks. So let's enjoy.
मोहन क्यों है रूठे रूठे मोहन क्यों कैसे मनाऊं है कैसे मनाऊं. One of the things that caught my attention is this beautiful hand-painted dupattas by Swati Rastogi, and she has also the hand-painted t-shirts. So let's talk to Swati and learn more about her artwork. I really love your handmade dupattas. It's so pretty, and I also saw a few of your handmade t-shirts. Can you tell us a little bit about your passion for this art and how you came up with this beautiful piece of art?
See, the passion comes right from childhood, but I studied science in my school, and after that I realized I was not made for science. I was born to be an artist, so I landed up studying arts. Then I became graduate in fine arts. Then it was my master's in history of art, but my specialization was in folk and tribal arts of India, which drive me crazy, and that's the main inspiration behind me and my work. So if you look at my any work, you will find traditional Indian motives behind those. Everything would be like totally, and speciality which I would talk about myself would be like I make individual pieces. I don't repeat any of the piece till the time.
I don't see anything that's very
no, you will never find in any of the t-shirts, any of the dupattas. And the painting on fabrics is something which I just picked up out of my mind. I thought, I play a lot of with acrylic paints, like on glass, on wood, on paint. I thought, let me try something on clothing, because since 10 years back, I used to paint a lot of my t-shirts, and I just used to do it like that, and I found that people really like it. So this is my first time in Diwali Mela, New York City, which gave me an opportunity to come up with more t-shirts, and being religious and being inspired by Indian traditional motifs, you will somewhere you will find some that very ethnic Indian motifs in my t-shirts, like some symbolic something from Krishna, something from Shiva, something from Durga, something like that, or either some tribal arts of India. You will find something like that.
Well, I think you have done an awesome job, and even I love this that you have on.
Thank you.
Krishna is like my favorite god, and I really like this. Well, it's very pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you again. So if you are interested in getting one of these beautiful hand-painted dupattas or t-shirts or any of this, you can contact Swati Rastogi at swatirastogi6@gmail.com. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I hope you all enjoyed today's vibrant, colorful Diwali coverage at South Street Seaport in Manhattan. See you next week. Until then, goodbye.
മലയാളി സ്പർശത്തിൻ്റെ ഈ എപ്പിസോഡ് എല്ലാവരും ആസ്വദിച്ചു എന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായം malayalisparsham@gmail.com കൂടി ഞങ്ങളെ അറിയിക്കുക. For now, this is Binta signing off. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.